unfold my hidden wings. Through the silence of the shadows, I hear the world and everything it brings. The echoes of forgotten dreams are calling from the trees. A whisper in the darkness, only the night birds see. I am the night bird, flying where the lost stars turn. I feel the secrets in the wind. I watch the distant cities burn. I am the night bird, drifting through the unseen air. In the shadows, I am fearless. In the silence, I am rare. Every road the daylight shows was never